In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Antigravity extension marketplace to the VSCode marketplace. So if you switched from Visual Studio Code to Google Antigravity and you're missing extensions, just follow these steps. Now, by default, Antigravity uses the OpenVSX marketplace, which is why you see fewer extensions compared to VSCode. Now, to fix this, the first thing you want to do is open Antigravity. Now, once it opens, click on the extensions icon on the left side. Now, after that, look for Antigravity settings and click on it. Now, inside the settings, you'll see two important fields called Marketplace Item URL and Marketplace Gallery URL. Now, for the Marketplace Item URL, replace whatever is there with https://marketplace.visualstudio.com/items. Now, for the Marketplace Gallery URL, replace it with https://marketplace.visualstudio.com/apis/public/gallery. Now, once you've pasted both URLs, just close Antigravity completely. Now, reopen Antigravity again and go back to the Extensions section. Now you'll see that all the extensions from the Visual Studio Code marketplace are available just like before. And that's it. Everything is now synced and working exactly like VS Code. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.